What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency streaming, guys. Today I wanted to talk about two specific coins, Electroneum and Bitcoin. I wanted to show you guys the patterns, but just had amazing breakouts. Even in my last video, guys, I was talking about these breakouts about to happen. Perfect breakouts to the upside, guys. I even changed my eyes on my Twitter. If you haven't followed me on my Twitter, guys, make sure you do. I changed the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can really help you guys with your entries and exits. If you want to know more about my life, guys, follow me on Instagram, guys. It's just picking up. I'm going to Bitcoin Miami. If you guys want to see me there, definitely stop by and say hello. And if you want to learn more about trading, guys, join the Crypto Matrix student program with so much success across the board. It's just something you have to experience to understand, guys. And if you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so I wanted to start with Bitcoin here. I'm just going to draw out all the patterns that I saw here over the last, couple days here. Some very textbook stuff. Easy money across the board. Lots of people messaging me from Zion and people in my learned group that are just making gains left and right. Congratulations, guys. You guys all deserve this. And let's just talk about this recent pattern right here. For instance, having the indication play right here on the 7 and the 20. Let's just pull up the Bollinger Bands for a second here. You can literally see barbell theory as well playing out. If you guys aren't sure about that, so the program will teach you. But a nice barbell, you want to curl that one all day, guys. That's an easy one to make some money on. Let me know in the comments if you caught that. And guys, Bollinger Bands are an excellent play all day, especially in combination with moving averages, guys. Make that a reality for yourself. And then when playing the polar opposites, use the estimated moving average 100 and 200, even the 55 sometimes, as good back points for drawbacks and retracements, guys. That's what makes it so beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna turn off the Bollinger Bands, keep moving here, guys. You get the idea. And then measured right from the back here to the point of breakout. And guys, it doesn't get any better than that. Just beautiful patterns right there, beautiful targets. Same thing right through here. Another one just playing out really nicely. Already breaking out, and even a little mini right out of that, but the target projection is already working its way. So guys, basically waiting on another pattern to break out right now. Let it develop. As soon as it does, watch for that retracement. It'll probably retrace right down to what was this polar resistance, now a support. And then we're going to play this yard right here. Okay? This area right in here is our new play zone. Make polar plays a reality for yourself. Remember to be neutral, guys. That's how leverage traders make money. It's when the market goes either way with volatility, and that's what the combination of indication plays and volume is. Okay, guys? So let this one develop. All we really could have right now is potential head and shoulders, and then this could actually be a potential flag as well, guys. Let's just watch for the development here. I'm on the 1 hour. Let's see how this develops out over the next few hours, guys, and then play indication plays. Keep your 7 and your 20 up. Keep your Bollinger Bands. Use the Stotch crossings in oversold and overbought territory for quick indication plays, especially the 3 and the 14, guys. Easy money all day. Let's jump right over to Electroneum, guys. And for those of you who followed my call, you are sitting pretty right now, guys. Right here. Here we go. All right, so for instance, this was a descending, broadening wedge, and guys, let's be real, we never saw the bottom of it for quite some time. That's why I knew this breakout was coming, and I said a breakout is happening right now. And guys, I literally made my last video. If you haven't seen it, check it out right here. And I basically tell you guys this is happening. So for instance, we had the 7 and the 20 cross right on the resistance of that pattern, and then guys, we had a clear movement right out of it. Very nice. And what's really nice is we actually broke this bigger channel, so this could be a continuation movement with a little bit more volume. The only thing that scares me is on the hour we are unloaded on the Stotch, for instance, right here. Okay, that's technically not a good sign, but let's just jump up to the 4 hour and the daily for a second. Daily also unloaded. Let me see the weekly. Okay, that's the good sign for Electroneum. The weekly Stotch is loaded up. Okay, so that means we could run into a little bit of chop now, kind of move sideways. Maybe slight retracement, but I think we could end up playing more out of this. Remember, like we reached out of here and kind of crept down, we could reach out of here, but this time I think we'll creep up because we're running into some major support zones, okay? This coin is currently at its 52-week range low, and that's why a lot of people were scooping up right here, guys. That's why I scooped up a little bit more. Guys, if I post a video that's super bullish like that, that's when I want you guys jumping on for sure. Okay, this is optimal buy times right now. Notice, here, I'll turn my camera on for a split second. Notice the 52-week range low. Okay, guys, this is huge. Okay, these are optimal buy times. Before you know it, we will be back up at the 52-week range high and surpassing it. And trust me, you want to have your bags packed for these moments. Okay, these are down times. Everyone's fearful. Everyone I know is, basically not, well, maybe not students, but a lot of people that I know in the real world, as you should say, they don't understand what's happening right now. They're very nervous. They're saying, "Oh, take profits," or they're freaking out that I'm so heavily invested. But guys, let's be real. Cryptocurrency is the future of money, and as it develops over the 40-year time frame that most of us are giving it, that are learned it at this point, think that we are just in the early stages. We just left early innovation phase, and in the second phase, there's 4 phases for those of you who don't know, and we are still in the second. You get involved in these time frames, you're still going to make a lot of money. You probably have like 27 years left. That's a long time in a 40-year development. Get involved in cryptocurrency now, especially some of these altcoins. Avail yourself some good profit here. Okay, now let's just say we're forming a nice chain here. Okay, I'm gonna make this a nice white. Now guys, you can go white to yellow if you want, if you have a bigger color there. Remember, color coordination is really key. Now I'm gonna leave this a wide berth because we only have a touch here, and I don't want to tighten it right up like that. There's a reality we'll move right and then probably bounce up if that happens, so I'm gonna leave that support like that. And notice that coincides with the 55 curl. Okay, so say like we do something like that, that's exactly what will happen. That's why I'm keeping my support there. Remember, the estimated moving averages are extremely important, and we do have a crossing of the 200 and the 100 right now. Okay, so that's pretty bullish, guys. We are on the 1 hour, but the stops, like I said, sadly unloaded here. So let's just see how this plays out. We do have that decrease in volume coming up, so I'm expecting the sideways movement. Let's hope it doesn't come with bearish volume, because then we can end up cracking back down. But I still think we're going to run into some support here and get a little bit of bounce, guys. That's exactly what we're looking for. And on the bigger time frames, we still have a little bit of work to do to get to reverse pressure here. So if we can actually hold this pattern moving up and bounce back up, we won't actually walk down right here. And we've got to get out of the zone right here. This is the area to break, guys. We break up, everyone is going to be feeling very good with their buys. I know I will be. Trust me if you will. But if we break down, guys, that's when real fear grips the market, when there's a real sell-off, when nobody anticipates it. Those are real opportunities to scoop up cheap coin. I'm not just saying Electroneum, but I mean almost board wide, okay? Especially main coin projects. Now, some of the alts might have, they can crush you guys, let's be real. But buying at optimal buy times board wide is always a good idea. And that's the reason I say that is because Bitcoin, for instance, I know we're talking about Electroneum, but Bitcoin still leads the pack. So when Bitcoin has these big moves, the other coins tend to follow it in some tendencies, okay? Electroneum, definitely one of them. Mana, File, Link, BNB, Storage, ETC, you guys name it, okay? XTC, so many coins, guys, okay? Let's see if we can retest reverse pressure, get a little momentum going. But guys, up at 0.0062, gaining a little bit of strength here. We get back up on trend, retest that polar, what is now resistance was support. That could be very good for us, guys. And that's all the time I have for today. Just excellent times in cryptocurrency. So many people in the program and so good profit, guys. It's actually just mind-blowing, amazing times. Bitcoin Miami is almost here, April 6th through 9th, guys. If you are going, come and say hello. I will definitely be there among many of my partners in exchanges. And guys, there's just so much money to be made on these exchanges, guys. Use my links below. Get the additive edge. I'm partnered with these people, so it means I'm actually giving you guys better percentages than just regular signups and regular referral links. Give yourself additive bonus. You guys deserve it. If you found my page in these early stages, that's amazing. You guys are about to make a lot of money learning how to trade. Because guys, let's be real. If you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle.